Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by minimizing further writes. Stop installing apps or saving media so deleted entries aren't overwritten. Next, make sure you're signed into the account that held contacts, Google or iCloud, because restoration uses that snapshot. Once done, open account settings and check backup timestamps. These tell you which recovery method to use. If you have a VCF export on email or cloud, download it now. These first moves set up a safe recovery window and determine the exact restore path you'll take next. You now run the main restore. On iPhone, visit iCloud. Com account settings, restore contacts and pick the archive. On Android, open contacts. Google, com trash and restore within 30 days. Once done, sync the device and confirm names and numbers appear. If cloud fails, export/import a VCF from another device or check the SIM card for stored contacts and import them. Only after these steps, connect to a trusted desktop recovery tool and follow guided scans to try file-level retrieval without overwriting data. You finish by verifying every restored contact. Open several entries to confirm numbers and labels, then force a sync so all devices update. Make a new backup immediately, export a VCF and confirm cloud backups are active and dated. If entries looking complete, use merge tools to reconcile duplicates. One key troubleshooting tip: if contacts don't reappear, check that the correct account is selected for contacts, inspect trash or archives, and avoid further device use. If needed, consult professional recovery before writing new data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.